We're learning about cataracts. When we focus on the eyes, our goal is to focus. When we have cataracts, it blurs our vision. What we're looking at is what happens as we get older, because cataracts are an age-related disease. When we look at a healthy eye, what we've discussed in the past when we looked at special senses, as we direct the eye through the cornea and it enters in the pupil, and we start to direct it through the actual lens, and the lens, just like a microscope, is that lens that's going to help the focus and direct the light so you can see what you're looking at. What happens when we go through the lens, remember when we see things, it's actually upside down and reflected. So when it hits the retina and we use our photoreceptors, our rods and cones, in conjunction with ganglion and bipolar cells, it'll interpret it through the optic nerve and talk to the occipital lobe for that interpretation of what you're seeing. You can see that direction as we're going to the primary way that we direct the light. But as we age, typically within about our 60s, we start to develop what is known as cataracts, which is the cloudiness of our eyes. What is happening is the breakdown inside the lens. The makeup of the lens is primarily water, just like a lot of parts of our body, roughly around 60-65%, so 2/3 of our lens is water. But it also is filled with these proteins, where we see a huge collection of proteins relative to the rest of the body and other structures. And these proteins are called crystallins, and crystallins are the proteins that are able to reflect and move that light and direct it properly to the retina. As we get older, they start to clump up. The proteins, these crystallins, clump up and then they box together and clump together and gives us that cloudy appearance. Now when you look and see things, it's almost like you're looking through a foggy window. We get that appearance. And now as I focus in and look at things, you can see that that light can't be directed properly. All my photoreception is not now focused, literally. It's now moving transparently through all the different parts of the eye, and I can't get it to where I have the same acuity that I did when I was younger. As I progress in age, you see this occur, and the only way to delay this is take care of your eyes. Make sure you're wearing sunglasses to protect them from the sun. As we age, typically once you're around 70, 80, almost all of us have some type of cataract. The most common is called a nuclear cataract, where it centers in the middle of the eye, to where you have some that'll come from the sides and some from the posterior side of the lens. But a nuclear cataract is focusing in the center of the eye. And really, as we get older, there are some laser therapies out there that might be able to fix and break up these proteins, but sometimes it could take an artificial lens to support your vision. There's nothing we can avoid, but as we learn how to take care of our eyes, hopefully we can delay a cataract. A cataract is the breakdown of the proteins, and as they clump together, these crystallins inside the eye, and now we're not able to reflect the light correctly. That's a cataract.